Hello guys, it's EasyVids and Tutorials here. But not a tutorial, but more of a serious topic if you want to look at it that way. In World Tanks, a game I play, I have a clan called Armed. There are about 50 divisions of it on all of the NA, the European, the Southeast Asian, and the Russian servers. So I guess it's gonna be more of commentary over things we're looking at. So yeah, and I'll be adding some music from Armed itself. So yeah, I'm going to show you the stats of Armed right now. As you can see, in 1 second, Armed has more divisions than any other clan in the world on all of the servers. Yeah. And there's more. Yeah, so these are all Armed. Now, I'm going to take you to the website, BRB. Okay, now we are at the site. Bob Sinclair, every Thursday. Very good guy, very good guy. Yeah. Armed Radio, they even have their own music station, and that's what you're listening to right now. The forums, pretty basic, but yeah, lots of stuff.
Hi, this is Karina of Tank.
And here's an ad.
Armed Radio, 24 hours a day, home of the big guns.
That was an ad from yours truly. Not will not be but the clan. And basically all the tabs, downloads, stuff like that. And every week they hold a contest for gold. I don't know what days, but overall Armed is a pretty good clan. Oh, and on Friday nights, they hold stuff called Friday Night Fights. They are basically, we do something called Mega Platooning, where we get a bunch of platoons together, and we count down, 3, 2, 1, click, and we all try to get into the same battle. Most time it works, because we are either on the same side or the opposite side. Now I will bring you. This is their TeamSpeak. Pretty basic TeamSpeak, all the way at the bottom. 36 divisions. Pretty nice. So yeah, overall, Armed is a really good clan, and we should like them. Come join it if you wanna be part of Armed, home of the big guns. Boom.